Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to apply for Coursera financial aid in 2025, but can't find the option anymore, don't worry, I got you. The website has changed and the financial aid button has disappeared from where it used to be. But in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to apply step by step. So stick around till the end and let's get started. So if you've applied for financial aid before, you probably remember that the financial aid button used to be right next to the enroll button on the course page. Super easy to find, right? But now it's gone. Poof. Just like that. But don't worry, it's still there, just hidden in a place you wouldn't expect. So let me show you how to find it. All right, here's the trick. Instead of looking at the top of the course page, you have to scroll all the way down. Yes, literally to the bottom of the page. There you'll see a small text link that says Financial Aid Available. Click on that and boom, you're back in business. Finally. That was a bit of a scavenger hunt, but we found it. Now let's go through the application process. All right, once you click on Financial Aid Available, you'll see an application form. Let's break it down section by section. About You section. This part is all about your background. Here's how to fill it in. Education. Choose college degree or whatever matches your situation. Annual income. Enter 0 since we're applying as a student. Employment status. Select student. Reason you applied for aid. Don't worry, I've got a pre-written sample for you. About the course section. This section focuses on your course goals and financial situation. Amount you can pay, enter 0. Course goals. Again, I've got you covered. You can use my sample answer in the description to explain why this course is important for you. Finally, you have to agree to the honor code and confirm that you're serious about completing the course. Easy! Now just hit submit and wait for Coursera to review your request. It usually takes about 15 days. Once you submit your application, you'll get an email confirmation. Now just be patient. If approved, you'll get a 90% discount on the course. No full payment needed. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for Coursera financial aid in 2025, even after the website update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Happy learning.